Hi YouTube, welcome back to Wtf Rc Cars. So we got the little ELCERAM Nitride ESC, and I'm going to do a quick video now to show you how to run the calibration on it so you can get it connected up to your transmitter. So yeah, let's bring in for a close-up look, see how we get on with this. Right, so here goes. It's a tiny little screen, so you're going to have to forgive me. I'm doing my best to get this. I'm not going to be able to get the transmitter and the screen in focus, but it shouldn't really be important on this one. So we've got us ESC connected to our receiver. We've got the FlySky MB4 Pro, and this is the Plus version. So any questions on whether it'll work with Pro Plus, there you go, it works with it. So we're going to power on the speed controller, and I must admit it starts up really quickly. This was one of my concerns, like with such a sort of computerized ESC, would it have sort of a long delay on firing up? But nope, it's pretty damn quick. The buttons, you do get a description of what each one does above it. So from the main screen, we're going to press and hold the two outside buttons for 2 seconds. That'll get us into our programming menu. Then you want to press this one until we go across to calibration. So once we're on calibration, make sure your transmitter and your sub trim is set to 0. Then you're going to want to press and hold calibration. It'll tell you now to go full throttle. So we go full throttle, full brake, and just do it a few times. Make sure you've gone full extreme both ways. Then just tap OK. And then to check it, we can go full throttle, and it'll give you your maximum reading. Full brake gives you your minimum reading. Then we can press and hold the 2 buttons again. It'll take you back to his main menu. And then if you press 100% throttle, you'll get 100%. 100% brake, 100%. Let it go, straight back to 0. So yep, we can definitely say this works well with the MB4 Pro Plus, and it's as easy as that to calibrate. Hopefully I can get that zoomed in enough to see this screen. In real life it's incredibly bright and incredibly clear, but I know what these digital cameras are like for recording screens. But yeah, that's the little ELCERAM Nitride ESC, and it's pretty much one of the easiest to run calibration on. There's no pulling throttle, then pressing a button, then back to center pressing a button. You literally just gut at calibration screen, press and hold it. It tells you to calibrate, full throttle, full brake, back to center, press the button to OK it, calibration done. Kind of like ESCs how they should be done. And then I really do like the way that its main screen, you can instantly see if you're getting 100% plus and minus on your throttle and brake. And it does go to minus 100 when you brake, so you know you've got it set the right way round. But yeah, really easy, really straightforward, and yeah, quite an impressive little bit of kit. So let's wrap this one up. So there we have it, nice quick video explaining how to run the calibration on the ELCERAM Nitride. And if this thing performs as good as it looks and as easy as it is to use, this is going to be a cracking little speed controller. But I'm going to do more videos on this because some of the menus are not like what you're used to seeing and they need a bit more explanation. But thanks again for watching Wtf Rc Cars. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, share to friends and family, and catch you guys again in the next one.